Hey, Scott Sambucci here. I am just outside of my favorite Philz coffee here in Davis, and my message today is to just get busy. So here's why this is the message. So I just spent 2 hours and 20 minutes doing what I call a sales sprint. Um, one of the things we've been doing here internally with my business, and I tell a lot of people, I'm happy to share what we do here. The last month we've been transitioning some marketing stuff. We're doing a workshop that we started marketing and launched that. We're going to be doing that workshop at the end of February. So we're doing a lot of sort of transition in terms of how we're going about and getting our message out there to the people that we want to help. And the upside of that is, like, we're going to have all these new systems. We're going to have this great event. We've got a whole new marketing system that's getting deployed in the next couple of weeks. It's like, wow, this is going to be awesome. We're going to share our content with more people. We're going to get the message out and help as many people as we can. This is really great. The problem is that transition means that sometimes there's a gap, because we used to do stuff and we stopped doing stuff, and now we're starting to do new stuff. And in between that, there's just been a gap. And so I'm sitting here running the company. I'm like, wow, like, things are, we don't have the same sort of flow we used to get. Like, what's going on? And then I realized we're just not doing anything. Yeah, we're building marketing plans, and yeah, we're launching a workshop and doing all those great things. But we're not out talking to people daily. And what I mean by talking to people, it doesn't mean phone conversations. I mean just like connecting with people on LinkedIn, accepting connection requests, going through and seeing who's coming by the profile, just like who's checking us out and who's checking me out, and just engaging in conversation with people. And that's what I just did for 2 hours and 20 minutes. I think it was a total of 24 individual people that I reached out to. So these were people that sent me connection requests or accepted a connection request of mine that I sent out. These are people that joined our marketing list over the last couple weeks. So people came to the website, joined the marketing list, and so as a way to connect with them further, sending them a connection request and connection invite on LinkedIn. And then there's some people that just basically said, hey, saw what you're doing, love what you're doing, love your company. What are you working on? What customers are you targeting right now? What questions do you have? What are your challenges? And had 4 or 5 conversations going all at the same time in LinkedIn. So it's just a matter of, like, get busy. Sometimes you just have to get busy, and you can talk about marketing, you can talk about events, you can talk about all these great things you're going to do to spread the world, spread the message out to the world. But sometimes you just got to buckle down and get busy, and that's what I did. It feels really good. I feel accomplished. We've got some conversations on the calendar already for next week. We've got some people interested in the workshop that we're going to be doing. Got a bunch of new connection requests that they're not just connections and contacts. They're actually people that now I have had some conversation with. And this is it. This is like the block and tackling. This is the bricks of the foundation that go into building up your sales. So it doesn't matter if you're a company founder and you've got a team around you like I do. Sometimes you just got to get busy and get to it and set the example. And that's what I just did. And I'm feeling good. So now I'm going to head to the office and do the rest of the stuff that I need to do that's planned for the day. And let's do it. So one last thing. If you can think of one person that could use this sort of get busy kick in the tail, I'd love it if you could share this video with them. Just send them the link. Let them know, like, man, I've been watching you. I think you need to get busy. You're getting lost in product, you're getting lost in engineering, you're getting lost in marketing. Just go get busy. Watch this guy's video. It will help you get off your tail and get busy. So that's it for now. Please share. Thanks so much. Scott Sambucci signing off.